Hi there, boys and girls, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. Today we will be practicing how to take key information from word problems to help us answer the question. Let's dive on in. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to apply the correct operation to solve a word problem by identifying the key words and phrases in that problem. The Common Core State Standard today is 6 NS2. Let's start by taking a look at some of the key words and phrases that will help us translate word problems into equations. If we are looking at addition, we might see the words the sum of or total. We might write this as 5 plus 7 or x plus y. If we see the words difference of or decrease, these indicate subtraction, so we might see 8 minus 3 or x minus y. Product of and total both indicate multiplication, so we might see 5 times 6 or x times y. Notice that we use a star rather than the x for multiplication so that we don't get it confused with the variables. For division, we might see quotient of or in each group. You might see 16 over 2 or 16 divided by 2, or you might see x over y or x divided by y. Example number 1. Kemba scored 351 points during his first season on the school basketball team. During his second season, he scored 567 points, and during his third season, he scored 955 points. How many points did he score in total? If we look at the key phrase in total, this tells us that this is an addition problem. So we will need to add Kemba's points from each season in order to find the answer. So we will add 351, 567, and 955. If we add these up, we find a total of 1,873 points. So our answer? Kemba scored 1,873 points during his 3 seasons on the school basketball team. Example number 2. Rudy scored 385 fewer points than Kemba during his school career. How many points did Rudy score? If we take a look at the key phrase, fewer points then, this tells us that this is a subtraction problem. We will need to subtract 385 points from Kemba's total in order to find Rudy's career total. So we set up our equation, 1,873 minus 385. And we find that the answer is 1,488. So Rudy scored 1,488 points during his 3 seasons on the school basketball team. Example number 3. Bobby sold 35 cupcakes each day for 16 days. What is the total number of cupcakes that Bobby sold? We know that this is a multiplication problem because of the key phrase total number, and because Bobby sold the same number of cupcakes each day. So we set up the multiplication problem, 35 times 16, and we use our multiplication algorithm, and we find that the answer is 560. So Bobby sold 560 cupcakes over 16 days. Example number 4. Tracy rode her bicycle for 1,104 miles over 24 days. How many miles did she bike each day? We know that this is a division problem because of the key phrase each day and because we're breaking a total number of miles into evenly sized pieces. We can use the division algorithm to help us solve this problem. So we have 1,104 divided by 24. Start on the left-hand side and take a look at the first digit and determine whether 24 goes into that digit. It does not go into 1, so we'll take a look at the first 2 digits. 24 also does not go into 11, so we need 3 digits. 24 does go into 110 4 times. 24 times 4 is 96, so we subtract 96 from 110, and we find 14. Then we bring down the 4 so that we have enough digits to divide again. 24 goes into 144 6 times. 24 times 6 is 144, so we have 144 minus 144 is 0. So the answer Tracy rode her bicycle for 46 miles each day. Today you learned how to apply the correct operation to solve a word problem by identifying the key words and phrases in that problem. The Common Core State Standard today was 6NS2. Now that you are familiar with these techniques, complete the independent practice problems in your guided notes packet. Then watch the independent practice solutions video to check your work. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'll see you next time.